If you're in search of a single-story home, consider this 2,428 square foot designer's choice on all one level. The Seville floor plan with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths offers lots of usable space with a great open floor plan. Our traditional Texas-sized entryway and large living and family spaces offer plenty of room for privacy and family time. The signature stone fireplace located in a spacious family room will be used as a centerpiece of quality time for years to come. And just off the family room, you'll find the chef's kitchen. Included in the design are stainless steel appliances, a large island workspace, granite countertops, custom cabinets, and pantry. The master bedroom and bath are large and spacious and include a walk-in closet, deep garden tub, dual vanities, and separate stand-up custom shower. 3 other spacious bedrooms are included in this large Seville floor plan single-story home. Contact a First Texas home sales consultant in the community of your choice to find out more about building the Seville floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.